In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group text and elements in Canva. If you want to keep multiple items together so they move and resize as one, grouping is one of the most useful tools to learn in Canva. It can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working with titles, icons, shapes, or any layout made up of several pieces. Instead of adjusting each item one by one, you can combine them into a single group and handle everything much more easily. To begin, open your Canva design and locate the text and elements you want to group together. This could be something like a heading with a decorative shape behind it, or a set of icons and labels that belong in one section. Before grouping, make sure the items are already positioned the way you want, because grouping will lock them together for easier editing afterward. Next, select the items you want to include in the group. Start by clicking one text box or element, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each additional item you want to add. This allows you to select multiple pieces at the same time without losing the earlier selections. Take a moment to check that everything you need is highlighted, because only the selected items will be grouped. Once all the right elements are selected, go to the top toolbar and click Group. As soon as you do that, Canva will combine those selected items into one grouped object. Now, when you click and drag, everything will move together. If you resize the group, all the included text and elements will scale together as well. This is especially helpful for keeping your design aligned and consistent, and it helps prevent accidental shifting of individual pieces. If you later decide that you need to edit or separate the items again, Canva makes that simple too. Just click on the grouped object to select it, then go back to the top toolbar and click Ungroup. This will split the items back into their original separate elements, so you can move, edit, or rearrange them individually. Grouping and ungrouping is a simple feature, but it makes a big difference in speeding up your design process and keeping layouts organized. Once you start using it regularly, you'll find it much easier to manage complex designs without losing your structure.